How to find the intersection of a pair of columns in multiple Pandas data frames with pairs in any order. I have multiple Pandas data frames. To keep it simple, let's say I have 3. The result needed is, because the pairs A, B, C, D, E, F appear in all the data frames, although it may be reversed. While using Pandas merge, it just considers the way columns are passed. To check my observation, I tried the following code for 2 data frames. And I found that the results differ. So, if I collect truth values from both reverse_1 and reverse_2 columns, I can get the intersect of both the data frames. Even if I do it for 2 data frames, it's not clear to me how to proceed with more data frames, more than 2. I am little confused about that. Any suggestions?
You can create list of data frames and in list comprehension sorting per rows with removing duplicates. And then merge list of data frames by all columns and no parameter on. Another solution for @pygo. Create index by frozen sets and join together by concat with inner join, last remove duplicates by index by duplicated with boolean indexing and iloc for get first 2 columns.
Somewhat similar to some of the earlier answers.